Hello everybody. Hello my friends. So I'm here with a review. So I brought the Downy Rinse and Refresh Deep Cleaning Fabric Rinse. Okay. I had to get dramatic, y'all. Okay. So it helps remove odor, residue for fresh, soft fabrics, cool cotton. Okay, safe on all fabrics. So I use this about 3 times, y'all. Okay. And it smells good. This review is not going to be long. I'm going to tell you why. This stuff here is a big buildup. Okay, the reason why I'm saying that is when my clothes was done, to me, I don't know, I've seen other videos and people really love this stuff. I like it. I'm not saying that I don't like it. But honestly, you can just use a strong laundry detergent and you will get the same result. Matter of fact, if you like a real strong laundry detergent, get that Persil. Some people say it's too strong, but the thing I like about Persil is that you don't have to add all this extra additives and buy all this extra stuff. This was expensive. I think it was $12.99, $13.99, somewhere up in there. And I was expecting a little more from this. They do have a lavender. I like lavender. I may try that. Ladies and gentlemen who like to save our money and be sensible, just buy yourself a strong laundry detergent or get yourself Suavitel fabric softener. Okay, I'm not trying to put Downy down, but their fabric softener I'm allergic to, so that's why I don't buy that. But this here, it has a nice smell. But I didn't see all the big difference that they're talking about. Now I'm going to use this up. If I see anything different, I will come and change in the description. You will see I will change the review up a little bit. But I don't think I'm going to change my mind because they have all these products. We already got the fabric beads and all that stuff. And I love those. But sometimes those are not necessary. If you just get yourself a real good, a nice smelling laundry detergent, that Ariel smells good, Tide smells good, all laundry detergent smells good. So save yourself some money, unless you just, it depends on what you're after. But I didn't see a big difference with this. I just have to tell the truth. Okay, so this is my review, y'all, for the Downy Rinse and Refresh. Okay, y'all, so I'll come back with another video.